Have you ever wondered how engineers make unstable ground strong enough to build on? Today, let's talk about an incredible solution: prefabricated vertical drains, or PVDs. These innovative systems are game changers for construction on weak, waterlogged soils. So what exactly are PVD drains? They're synthetic drainage systems designed for construction projects with soft soil. Picture a sponge. When you puncture it, water drains faster. PVDs work the same way, providing pathways for excess water to escape, leading to faster soil strength. Why are PVD drains essential? When building on marshy land, regular soil takes decades to stabilize. This can lead to safety issues. PVDs help speed up the process, ensuring structures are built on stable ground. Let's break down how PVDs work. They create vertical channels, allowing water to flow out faster, which helps compress the soil over time. With PVDs, soil consolidation can happen in months instead of decades. Next, let's explore the installation process. First, teams prepare the site by assessing the soil. Then, they use a stiff mandrel to place the PVD drain at the correct depth. Once in place, engineers apply a load on top to force the water out quickly. This setup allows the excess water to escape, enhancing ground strength over time. PVD drains are used in various projects, such as highways, airport runways, and even landfills. They help prevent uneven settling and ensure stable construction surfaces. The benefits of PVD drains are significant. They reduce construction time and costs while minimizing environmental impact. They're also durable and effective in multiple soil types. Of course, challenges remain. Proper design and installation are key for effectiveness. Specialized equipment is necessary, and while PVDs speed up consolidation, it still takes time for the soil to reach full stability. In summary, PVD drains are crucial for improving weak soil conditions. They make land stable and ready for construction, benefiting highways, airports, and more. If you're working on a project involving weak ground, consider PVD drains. They offer cost-effective solutions for long-term stability. Want to learn more about applying PVDs to your project? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. Stay tuned for more insights into construction engineering solutions.